So welcome to our first significant snowfall that we've had for the winter of 2024-25. Today is February 12th, 2025. Probably got about 3 or 4 inches already. Not a lot, but I'm going to go see if I can't make a path for the driveway with the Ranger and have some fun. Still snowing. I got the deck path walked. I got this cleaned off, but it's blowing back in again. I'm gonna go get the Ranger and use the blade a little bit. I don't really have to, but I walked the driveway a little bit, and I'm gonna blade off the edges and just give me a indication of where the edges are. I know the poles are there, but moving this stuff now will be less to move later, I think. So we are going out to the garage. Start up the Ranger and wax down the blades so the snow don't stick, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's the Ranger. Hopefully it's ready for some duty. And that doesn't mean poop. Let's connect my battery tender. I got some sandbags back here for weight. Should be good there. Put this thing out of the way. And we'll see if we can get it started. I haven't ran it for a while, obviously, but connect our oops, I guess it was already on. That is on. Raise it up, let this thing warm up. I got a little plastic PVC pipe on the bottom there to keep from digging into the gravel. So I'm going to give that a little wax and hope this snow won't stick to it. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's see if we can get this little snow moved. Not a lot. Well, that didn't work out as well as I thought it would for that thing. It worked great while I was on there, but after I took it off, it really dug into the rocks, and I don't want that. I got to come up with a different clamping system to mess with that. Stay. But at least I got a starting point from my driveway. My hair is frozen. I've been sweating. It's 5 degrees outside and I'm sweating. Believe that. So I'm going to try to fix that and we'll go from there. I'll be back. Alright, so I came up with an idea to keep this thing on there. I'll drill a hole and put a lag bolt through there. I don't have another lag bolt that I can find, so put a regular bolt in it. We just come over here, drill a nice little hole on the edge. Hopefully we won't get too close to the blade. Plastic is tough. Not gonna hurt anything if you get the blade. It's tougher than I am. And just put that through. Put the nut on. Alright, we got the bolt-in nut on. That should keep it from coming out. Hopefully. I think I got it flipped upside down, but that's okay. We'll leave it at that for now. Alright, it's not perfect. This thing's pretty loose. Probably from a weight sitting on it all summer and winter. But I got a couple lag bolts on it now, so it shouldn't come off the side a little bit. It shouldn't come off the side at all, is what I'm saying. Hopefully it won't droop far enough where it's going to come off of the bolts back here. The bolt on the back side is what's holding it from coming off right now, but I think it's going to work. I really do. But we'll see. If it gets blowed in again, I'll be out here tomorrow. Or maybe later this afternoon. But I don't think it's going to, so I think we're probably done with it for this round. Got more snow coming for Friday and Saturday, I think. But I'll have to check the weather, but we'll see how much we get. As you can see, it didn't do too bad. This is where I lost my plastic piece and it dug into the gravel, so I left the blade up a little bit and left a little snow there, but at least we can drive on it and get out of here. It's a little deeper than I thought it would be around here's corner, that's why I did it. As you can see, that's drifting in right there already, so I may be back tomorrow. Not gonna do it today because I don't think we're supposed to get any much more snow or more today, but we'll see how it blows in and go from there. But I think for the most part we'll be done. I might get my leaf blower out and take care of this. You can see I ran over this little stick here. It's still upright, but I ran it over. Probably broke it off in the ground, but we'll see later. This is blowing in already, so get my leaf blower out and blow that off maybe. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to go back inside, take off my winter wear, and make the video, and then I'll watch TV the rest of the day. Watch the snow. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay great. Talk to you later.